Sure, here's a high-quality article on the Yamaha R1M, highlighting its features, performance, and why it's considered one of the best superbikes in the world. Yamaha YZF R1M, the pinnacle of racing technology. The Yamaha YZF R1M is not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of Yamaha's racing DNA brought to the streets. Crafted with cutting-edge technology and track-proven performance, the R1M is the ultimate superbike for riders who demand the best from their machine. Race-bred design. From the moment you lay eyes on the R1M, it's clear that this bike means business. Inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP prototype, the YZR-M1, the R1M features a sleek, aerodynamic design with aggressive bodywork and a carbon fiber fairing. Every detail is engineered to reduce drag and improve high-speed stability. Unmatched performance. At the heart of the R1M lies a 998cc, inline-4 engine with Yamaha's exclusive crossplane crankshaft technology. This setup delivers linear torque and exceptional throttle response, giving riders more control and feel. With over 200 horsepower, the R1M is built for blistering speed and precise handling. Electronic mastery. The Yamaha R1M boasts one of the most advanced electronic systems in the superbike world. Inertial Measurement Unit (IMU) for real-time tracking of pitch, roll, and yaw. Slide control, lift control, and launch control for complete rider confidence. Öhlins electronic racing suspension (ERS) that adjusts in real time for optimal grip and comfort. Quick Shift System (QSS) for seamless gear changes without the clutch. Track-ready features. The R1M is designed to dominate the racetrack. It comes with lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, Bridgestone RS11 race spec tires, data logging and GPS tracking through Yamaha's Communication Control Unit (CCU), fully adjustable riding modes for every type of rider and condition. Conclusion. Whether you're chasing lap times or looking to own the streets with style and power, the Yamaha YZF R1M stands out as a class-leading superbike. With its combination of MotoGP-derived technology, aggressive aesthetics, and unmatched performance, the R1M isn't just fast, it's legendary.